Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you did something that made your heart race? Not of fear for your safety, but out of fear for your growth. You see, comfort feels warm, safe, and familiar. But here's the twist. Sometimes the most dangerous place to be is the safest place you know. Because comfort is not just a cozy corner, it can become a prison without bars. The comfort zone is like a soft couch. It's inviting after a long day but spend too much time there and you forgot how to run. It's the job you have been in for years that does not challenge you anymore. It's the routine that feels predictable but uninspiring. It's the relationship that's not growing but you are too used to do it to leave. We think we are protecting ourselves from disappointment, rejection, or failure. But the truth is, you are or we are not protecting ourselves. We are protecting our limitations. Inside the comfort zone, life feels like predictable. Outside life, it feels risky. And our brain loves predictability. It's wired to avoid uncertainty. But what's familiar is not always what's best for us. Comfort tricks us. It says, you're fine here, why risk it? But here's the reality. When you stay in comfort too long, you don't just protect what you have. You sacrifice what you could have had. Dreams don't die loudly. They don't go up in flames. They fade away quietly when we choose the familiar over the unknown. Comfort kills dreams silently without any drama. Think about it. The book you never wrote, the career change you never pursued, the love you never confessed. Not because you couldn't, but because you stayed in your safe zone. And here's the irony. The walls you feared walking past were never even locked. They were just imagined walls built by fear and maintained by habit. So how do you break free from the comfort zone prison? Recognize the cage. The first step is awareness. Ask yourself, what am I avoiding right now because it feels uncomfortable? If your answer scares you, that's probably where your growth is. Start with small risks. You don't need to leap across the ocean on one day. Just step into a slightly uncomfortable space. Speak up in that meeting. Try that new class. Introduce yourself to a stranger. Small cracks in the wall eventually bring the whole prison down. Redefine your fear. Instead of asking, what if I fail? Ask, what if I never try? Fear isn't a stop sign, it's a compass. It's often pointing towards the thing you most need to do. Get accountability. Surround yourself with people who don't just cheer for your comfort, but challenge your limits. A coach, a mentor, a friend who pushes you when you don't want to hide. The comfort zone feels safe, but safety isn't always freedom. One day you will wake up and realize you have built a life around avoiding discomfort, but also avoiding growth, love, adventure, and purpose. So today, check the walls around you. Push on them. You might just find they were never locked. This week, choose one thing that scares you, not because it's dangerous, but because it's unfamiliar. Step outside the comfort zone, because everything you have ever wanted is waiting just beyond it.